So for those that are new, welcome! This is what I do. I do acrylic pour painting right now. I'm experimenting with the triple flip cup scenario that I learned from Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out. I did one the other day. It will be linked here. Yeah. So, I'm going to mix up my cobalt blue. So for the new people, if you want to see how I mix up my paints, stick around. Otherwise, I guess come back to me when I'm filling my cups if you want. I have quite the stack of cups kicking around. I'm not too sure if I'm going to add silicone to everything. I feel like I probably should. But, okay. We shall get started. That sounded awful. Really? Okay. So I add a lot of paint to these just because it makes my life easier. I have a lot mixed up. So this is my Floetrol that I use. This stuff likes to create cells in and out of itself. This is the pouring medium I like to use, if you would. There's different kinds of pouring medium out there. There's a lot of people that use like glue. It's essentially the same thing. I think glue's just cheaper, that's all. Phew. Oh wow, that's awesome. It also helps stretch my acrylic paints a little bit more and thins them down. Just makes it easier to work with in general. I can still tell just by mixing this that this is still super thick for what I want. Like I said, add a little yesterday, I guess. Add a little bit of water and then mix it in. It's easier to mix in a little bit of water instead of a lot, I find. Sometimes you just go to mix in a lot of water and it just splashes up at you, so it doesn't help. I'm already painting myself and I haven't even gotten the canvas down. Whoop, that was clumpy. Needed a little bit more water. There we go. Oh, I found these squirt bottles at a local store. I used them for paints for a while, but then realized this is just a better water bottle. And I like having lids, because these don't actually have any caps when I bought them, so that's no good to me. Well, in my opinion, anyways. Could use a little bit more water, still a little bit on the thick side. So I actually got up in the morning today. I'm not filming in the middle of the night for a change. It's quite amazing. To the extent where this is my coffee cup for the day, or for the morning. Jeff and I have already drank one of these. This is number 2. He's in the shower and coffee. Coffee. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm a little sluggish. It's well, it's not super early. It's like 10:30. We've been awake for a little while, but still. Wow, it's still super thick for me. I'm trying to get it a little thinner than what I had last time, but also a little bit thicker than my string pull paint, if you know what I mean. There, that's better. So that's how I mix my paints to get my desired consistencies. I'm actually not going to add my silicone to my white this time, but I'm going to add more of it. Maybe I will add silicone to my 3, 4, 5. There it is. 6. Even grabbed an extra stick for it, so why not? Move this a little bit out of the way so I can put these in shot at least. get the stick out of there for now. Can always make more white if I have to. So now I'll add some of the cobalt blue to a cup. I really like this metallic. It's very, very pretty. As I pour on my stick. Go me! Off to a great start this morning. I'm also going to be using Winsor & Newton Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue. It's a very nice yellow. Get out of here, fruit fly. The basement likes to spawn fruit flies because of the cat food. They like the fruit flies like the cat food for some reason, so that is strange to me, but I'm also going to be using ow! I cut my hand like right open with that cup. It's just this little sharp piece right there just got me so good. Look at that. Oh, ow. It's not even that bad of a cut. It was just the palm of my hand. I'm also going to be using Liquitex Ultramarine Blue. Liquitex in purple. Liquitex is a Canadian company that makes acrylic paints. I like their paints for the level that they are. They're like beginners, so they're good for what they are. I'm also going to be using Liquitex Basics in Quinacridone Magenta. Julie was saying that Liquitex is really expensive in Australia, and that makes sense considering, like, Liquitex is made in the United States. I'm assuming trying to ship it across the world would be extra expensive, so that doesn't seem like a lot of fun to me. Silicone oil. One, 2, 3, 4. Put 6 in that one because there's more paint. So, mixy, mixy, mixy. I went for 4 this time because more cells is more better in my opinion. Why not? So I'm just mixing my silicone in as best I can. And also gotta get the paint off that stick. Because that was annoying. So I just picked up this metallic cobalt blue the other day. It's so pretty. And last but not least, Winsor & Newton. Oh wait, no, I haven't even stirred in the silicone to the white yet, so I guess white is next. So I'm hoping that I can contrast some of the darker colors that are going on here with with the white. It's kind of cool to see how the silicone's reacting in the paints, but okay. So just to start off on a good foot, I'm gonna put white in all of them. This time I'm actually think I'm gonna do them all the same, because why not? Probably should have. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do purple. Yellow. Pink, or magenta, quinacridone magenta. I'm gonna go white again, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go metallic. A little bit more white. I gotta scrape this one out. And last but not least, the ultramarine blue. Perfect. Kind of. I will be doing this one on an 11 by 14. Again. I'm hoping my paints are thin enough this time to be able to get them to run. Also, very, very, very thankful. Look at these. My mother-in-law gave them to me. They fit a little bit better than the black ones, so I'm just happy. I can fit my ring on underneath them. Okay. I'm gonna move my other cups before I flip this, and I'm sorry. I got all ahead of me, kind of. Trying to move stuff. So just before I started filming, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta put my phone on silent because I had an email coming. Oh no, that was not. Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. There. Whoa. That's better. Okay. See what I can get out of that, I guess. Trying to just cover a little bit of my edges so it'll actually run a little bit better. That's about it. So far, like, whoa. I waited too long. Holy cells. Made my paint thin enough this time, though. Wow. Bring it back to the middle. Oh my goodness. Like just all of it. I think I got the flip and drag thing down. Yay! But look at all these cells, they're so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to see what happens when I torch it. Oh no, I dripped. That looks neat. Where did I put my torch? Did I just paint myself? Ugh, I'm going on. This is is why I usually don't paint. There it is. This is why I don't paint in the morning, I swear. It's just I'm not alive enough for this. But oh my goodness. Ah. So unlike other pour painters, I like to use a propane torch, as you can see. Propane is hotter than butane when it burns, and I think that's what causes a lot of my little caterpillarness that happens. But oh my goodness, I love this. This is incredible. I am going to get you down for a close-up because this is so bright and so awesome. Honestly, I don't think I could be any happier with how this came out. This is just, oh! I am so incredibly happy with how this came out. It honestly just astonishes me how much I can learn in such a short amount of time. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. I'm blown away with all the cells. I mean, there's so many different ones and so many different sizes, and it's just so, so pretty. I am not happy about this blob though. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time.